Hello, my friends. We are moving quickly into the holiday season. We're just hours away from Thanksgiving practically and everything that comes after this joyous time of year. It's a great time of year. It can be a time of joy, can also be a time of stress. And we're addressing that in our November Gratitude in Motion 21-Day Challenge. If you're in the challenge, this is your first workout of week 3 on Monday. If you're not in our challenge, look forward to the December challenge. I'll put the link below where to sign up. Be sure to jump in on that because we have 21 days of fitness, joy, food, lots of fun stuff. Here's our workout for today. We're going to focus on a full body movement, compound movements. It's a little more difficult than some of the other ones that we've done, but there's modifications for everything, and I'll mention those as we go along. The only thing you will need is a set of dumbbells and to position yourself either near a wall or have your sturdy chair handy for some of the more balancey exercises. And of course, your water bottle. So grab those things and let's get right into today's workout. Today's format is going to be our usual 40 seconds of work, and then we have 20 seconds to transition into the next movement, which I will call out towards the end of the first movement. Let's get started. First movement is a side step with a reach. So we're going to go first to the right, then to the left. This is a warm-up. Notice I'm putting a little bit of a bend in my knee. If you don't have that range of motion, you don't have to. If you can't get your arms totally overhead, come up to shoulder height. The next one is a squat with a twist and punch. Alternating sides, of course. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Squat, punch, up. Squat, punch, up. Once you get the hang of it, you can make it flow. Make sure, though, your squat is hinging from the hips, going back, not coming out over your toes. You can squat to a chair if you need to. You can adjust your squat stance, wider or narrower, whatever your body type likes best. Next up is a reverse lunge. Come up to a knee drive. This is where you might want to be positioned next to a wall. We're going to do one leg at a time. If you need to pause, you can. Remember to step wide so that you get that balance. Switching legs, whatever leg you did first, you're going to step back with the opposite leg for this round. 20 seconds of rest is great. Breathe, 2, 1, and go. Step back, drive. If you need to have one finger on the wall as you do this, that's okay. If you can't go as deep as I'm going, that's okay too. If you're only coming up to here on your drive and here on your step back, that's okay. Wherever you are is where you're going to start. Want to modify up? Put dumbbells in your hands while you do that. Next one, step jacks. You know, the old-fashioned jumping jacks. We're going to step out, arms up, step back, arms down, other side. You get the gist. Here we go. That inhale and exhale going. All right, next up, side bend. We're going to get our feet about hip to shoulder distance apart. We're going to gently bend to one side, up to center, and then to the other side. And here we go. Almost done. Our next movement is going to be a cross-body movement. So we're going to do a curtsy squat with a cross-body arm. That last seconds of rest in. 2, 1, and go. You don't have to go as low as I am. Modification for this is just less. But we want to cross the body with both our arm and our leg. That connects our brain with our body, our nerves, our muscles, all start to know where our body parts are in space. So cross-body work is very important. Okay, we have a finisher for today, mountain climber. Now, there's 2 ways you can do this. You can get down on the floor, like I will in a minute. I will start out, though, against the wall. So start as if you're doing a wall plank, and then you're going to bring first one knee up, and then the other. Now this is a slow mountain climber. So now here's what it looks like on the floor. Again, you're going to start out in the plank position, bringing one knee up and back. And if you're down here and you start to feel tired, go ahead and get back up and finish it up against the wall. That is our workout for this week, starting out on Monday. If you're in the challenge, we have 4 more videos this week, plus the daily emails. If you're not in this month's challenge, consider jumping into next month's. December is going to be a lot of fun. Thanks for joining me for this workout, this November Gratitude in Motion workout. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. That allows me to continue to bring you content like this. My whole monthly challenge series was based on a comment from one of my viewers. So you ask, I deliver. Drop me comments, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, see you next time right here.